What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an amazing recipe. I don't know about you guys, but I have never been a big fan of soya chunks, which is why I usually stay away from them. But today I thought I'd give it one last chance, and boy, did it pack a punch. This is one of my favorite soya chunk recipes, hands down. And you know what's even better, especially you vegetarians out there? Soya chunks are packed with protein. 100 grams of these have 52 grams of protein in them, guys. So if you are as excited as I am, without further ado, let's jump into the soya chunk biryani recipe. Alright guys, into a bowl, take 150 grams of soya chunks and soak it for about 15 minutes in warm water. You'll notice the soya chunks have absorbed the water, so what you want to do now is squeeze the water out of them and move them into a separate bowl. Time to marinate the soya chunks now, guys. For the marination, we will take 130 grams of curd, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon biryani masala, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Get your hands in there, guys, and once you mix everything really well, set it aside. Next, we are going to take 220 grams of rice and soak it for about 15 minutes. As the soya chunks and rice are kept aside, let's go ahead and take a pressure cooker and add 14 grams of oil along with half an inch of cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 cardamoms and cloves, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start to crackle, add 1 chopped onion into the cooker and saute it for a few minutes. Then add 1 to 2 chopped green chilies and mix well till the onions turn translucent. Next, let's add 2 chopped tomatoes into the mix. To this, we will add half a teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons biryani masala, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Once all that is mixed well, time to add the marinated soya chunks and cook it for about 5 minutes. We are almost done here, guys, so let's go ahead and add 1/4 cup coriander leaves and salt to taste. Give it a few more stirs and then add the soaked rice along with 1.5 cup of water. An optional step here is to add 14 grams of ghee. This might add a few extra calories, but trust me, it really enhances the taste. And last but not the least, pressure cook this for about 2 to 3 whistles on medium flame, and once it's done, let it settle for about 15 minutes, and there you go. Your delicious, mouth-watering soya chunk biryani is all set. Now for the calorie and macronutrient breakdown. This entire recipe is divided into 4 servings, and each serving is 450 calories, of which 66 grams are carbs, 9 grams are fat, and 25 grams are protein. Give this recipe a try, guys, and I promise you, you will love it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next video.